have too much time, guys. So I need to hurry up. At least I need to catch one fish in this hour. It doesn't matter how big we catch them. We just need to catch them. So, oh man. Let's go. I just need to catch one. At least. There's a lot of bait fish here. A lot of minnows. I see little minnows here. Imagine if we catch a 10-pounder right here. That will be insane. At least I need to catch one, guys. At least. Oh, nice. First one. First one. Yeah. Yeah. First one. First one. Hell yeah. Oh, it's gonna go into the tree. Oh. Nice. Nice one. It has only one hook. Oh, yeah. First fish. First one. Just. We did it. We have the first fish of the day, guys. Man, we have the little one. Well, it's not the little one, but it's like 1.5 pounds, 2 pounder. First fish of the day. Yes. Let's go. Yes, let's go. Let's go get some more, guys. Vamos por más, amigos, vamos. Acuérdense, suscríbanse. Si no están suscritos, suscríbanse, amigos. Muéstrenme su apoyo, amigos. Si les gustan mis videos, muéstrenme su apoyo. Miren, de aquí me voy a retirar en 1 hora. Voy a llegar a mi casa, a bañarme y me voy a ir a trabajar, amigos. Así que imagínense lo que estoy haciendo, amigos, todo por el bendito gusto de la pesca y por poder traerles a ustedes unos buenos videos, amigos. Espero que se haya grabado bien en la cámara ese ataque, Vamos a seguirle. Ya cayó la primera, vamos a seguir, amigos. Wow, check the line. I think I'm gonna retie this. No, it should be good. Let me throw my line. Just throw my line. I'm gonna work it. I'm gonna retrieve slower. Maybe we can have more strikes like that. We always have to check. We need to put attention on the way how they want it. It's not like just other time like retrieve fast and fast and fast. Sometimes they want it like super fast, but sometimes we need to give a little pauses and then keep retrieving. Oh, that's just crazy. I don't have too much time to be here. Oh, another one. Oh, oh, another one, another one. Yeah, yeah. Oh, another one. Yes. Ah, they're right there. Ah. Another one, another one. Oh man. How cool. It's not a big one, but guys, topwater always is gonna be fun, even if they're little. Second one is a little one. It's like about a pound, but it's another catch, guy. That's what counts, right? Let's go. It looks like they're on that side. I'm gonna try to catch another one. We have two, but I need to check my line, my leader. They're over there. I mean, catching them in that spot right there. I'm gonna throw them right there again. Guys, today the lake is like empty. There is no one here. Let's go. Same spot. There you go, right there. Let's see if we can catch another one. Ooh, my reel. I think I'm gonna get another one. Oh, another strike. Oh, come on, get it. What the heck? Seriously? I get 3 strikes. Man, they're right there. Okay, so they want it. They want the walking bait right there, but she couldn't get it. Why? Okay, let's try right there again. Let's see if I can catch another one right there. Holy smokes. Come on. That was gonna be the third one. Oh man. Oh man. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna give a little break right there, and then I'm gonna start retrieving. Dang, that was a big one. I love it. Oh man. Now I can go to work. Like super happy. Okay. Holy moly. Okay, I'm gonna try to catch it right there. Oh, come on, get it. There we go. One more. Oh, no. No. This is a better one. Nice. Nice. Oh, God. Check him off. Okay, we have. Okay. Let's keep casting right there. They're here, guys. They're here. Oh man. Okay, let's cast out. We just need to keep casting here. They're all here. They're suspended here in all these trees. So you guys need to be fishing around here in all these bushes. You guys need a very strong rope. I'm using a medium heavy one. Fast action. I'm using a 20-pound braid. I'm using 20-pound braid, and I'm using a monofilament. I'm using a mono, 20-pound mono. That's a leader, about 2 feet long, maybe 1.5, something like that. But I really think I need to retie this knot. Mono is very resistant, but you never know. Come on, take it. Get it. That's for you. There you go. One more. Feels a good one, huh? Oh, I think she got stuck on the trees. It feels a good one. Ah. Come on. Let's go. Oh, shit. This is the second one I lost today. Oh man. They're right here. You see? Oh, get it. Ah, yeah. It's a big one. Big one. She came and grabbed it. Oh, come on, baby. Yeah. Yes. Oh, damn. God. Yes. I saw when the fish came to attack my lure. I started the first time. She missed. And then she came over again for my lure. Oh, she has a big mouth. Look at that. Yes, this is the biggest one of today, guys. I'm about to leave. It's almost time for me to leave. And I already have, man, it can be 5 already. Oh, this one has like a, she got hurt. I'm gonna release it, okay? She got hurt very bad. Look at that tail. That tail got hurt. Maybe she's sick or something. But she's heavy. I'm gonna let her go. Dang. Maybe she's sick or she got hurt right now. I don't know. I could buy her maybe. Man, having a lot of action right now. Topwater, guys. Topwater. Oh man, I cannot believe it. I'm catching them all on the topwater. Okay, let's go. Let's go get some more. It's been nice. A lot of action. Qué chido, amigos. Ha sido una mañana muy buena, ¿eh? Ha sido una mañana muy buena. Vamos a ver allá. Ese pez está enfermo, yo creo, no sé, pero tenía bien lastimada su cola. No sé qué sería, es la primera captura que he tenido así, con su cola tan maltratada. Posiblemente es que lo atacó una tortuga o no sé. Y miren, la clave es estar tirándolo aquí entre todas estas palizadas. Lo estoy tirando aquí entre todas estas palizadas y pues aquí hay muchos peces suspendidos, amigos. Como pueden ver, ya van varios que agarro. Vamos a tirarlo ahí. Como que están refugiados entre los palos. Están nomás buscando carnada. ¿Cuántos llevamos, amigos? Vamos a tirarlo para allá. Aquí agarré la otra lobinota el otro día bien grande. A ver si se nos pega otra.